Hi, my name is Netrem Sharma and I'm from Ambala City, and I got to know about Western Overseas from one of my friend, as he has done IELTS from here itself, and he suggested me to do the IELTS. So I joined Western Overseas online because at that moment there was lockdown, and they have helped me a lot online, as well as 1 month after I joined offline classes, and the faculty was same, and the aura and environment was also the same as per the standards which I have heard from many of my friends. So Western Overseas helped me a lot to learn this language, as I was not able to understand, and I was not very flexible with it, and I scored 7 bands in overall IELTS exam. And the USB of this institute or Western Overseas is their faculty and facilities they provide to each and every student, as they helped us a lot in learning the language, and especially teachers helped me a lot to learn this. So I'm really thankful to Western Overseas, and I have also recommended many of my friends to do IELTS coaching from, and I will recommend in the future as well, as Western Overseas, in my opinion, is the best institute to learn and to gain language knowledge.
वेस्टर्न ओवरसीज, सपने आपके, जिम्मेदारी हमारी।